Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete videos on TikTok. So open TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom and eventually open the video that you want to delete. And here on the right hand side you see three-dot button right here, and here scroll down, to the left and find the function delete, and confirm your decision by tapping delete again. And now you see that I have just deleted my video. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.